Hello, this is me again, Teacher Kathy, and this is part 3 of the lesson, Solving Quadratic Inequality by Graphing. So please stay and learn with me in this video. Before discussing to you the steps on how to solve quadratic inequality by graphing, I would like to show to you the graphs of the quadratic inequality with two variables. Now in this particular parabolas, and we call them parabolas, one uses the broken line and the other one uses the solid line. In other words, when it uses the broken line, meaning to say that part is not included in the solution set. And the part that is shaded are the solution set of the given inequality. So these are the steps on how to solve quadratic inequality by graphing. So step number 1, write the inequality to its corresponding equation. Number 2, find the vertex of the parabola. Number 3, construct table of values for x and y. Number 4, sketch the parabola. 5, choose a test point. And number 6, shade the appropriate region. Example number 1, find the solution set of y is greater than negative x squared plus 4x minus 3. So step 1, write this inequality into its corresponding equation. So that would become y is equal to negative x squared plus 4x minus 3. Step number 2, find the vertex of the parabola. Now, to find the vertex of the parabola, we will use this particular formula. Coordinates of the vertex, that is x and y. So to find x, we use the formula negative b over 2a. So from the given inequality, changing it to its equation, our a is negative 1 and our b is positive 4. So substituting its value, that is 4 or negative 4 over 2 times negative 1. So simplifying this, that is negative 4 over 2 times negative 1 is negative 2. Therefore, the value of our x is negative 4 divided by negative 2 is positive 2. But since it is a coordinate, that means to say we should have the value of x and the y. So to find y, we just simply substitute the value of x to our given equation. So this is negative x squared plus 4x minus 3. So substitute the value of x, which is 2, that is negative 2 to the second power plus 4 times 2 minus 3. So simplifying this, 2 squared is equal to 4, or negative 4 plus 8 minus 3. Y is equal to negative 4 plus 8 is positive 4, minus 3 is equal to positive 1. So the value of our y is equal to 1. So our coordinates xy is equal to 2 and 1, where 2 is the value of our x and 1 is the value of our y. Step number 3, construct the table of values. So in constructing the table of values, we just simply assign values of x to find the value of y. So let's start with, if x is 0, what should be the value of y? So we just simply use the given equation, negative x squared plus 4x minus 3. So that is y is equal to negative 0 plus 4 times 0 minus 3. So y is equal to 0 plus 0 minus 3. So your value of y is negative 3 if your x is 0. Next, what if our x is 1? So using the same given equation, you have y is equal to negative x squared plus 4x minus 3 if x is equal to 1. So substitute the value of x, which is 1. You have negative 1 squared plus 4 times 1 minus 3. So your value of y is 1 squared is 1 times negative, that's negative 1, plus 4 minus 3. Negative 1 plus 4 is positive 3, minus 3 is 0. So if your x is 1, then your y is equal to 0. Now what if your value of x is equal to 2? So you have y is equal to negative x squared plus 4x minus 3. Substituting the value of x, which is 2. So you have negative 2 squared plus 4 times 2 is equal to negative 3. So you have y is equal to negative of 2 squared is negative 4 plus 4 times 2 is 8 minus 3. So you have negative 4 plus 8 is equal to positive 4 minus 3 is equal to 1. So if your x is 2, your y is equal to 1. Another value of x, let's try 3. So if your x is 3, that is y is equal to negative x squared plus 4x minus 3. So y is equal to negative of 3 squared plus 4 times 3 minus 3. So your y therefore is negative 9 plus 12 minus 3. So your y, negative 9 plus 12 is positive 3 minus 3 is 0. So if your x is 3, your y is 0. Now let's try another value of x. If x is equal to 4. So if your x is equal to 4, let's substitute y is equal to negative x squared plus 4x minus 3. So you have y is equal to negative 4 squared plus 4 times 4 minus 3. So this is y is equal to negative 16 plus 16 minus 3. Negative 16 plus 16 is equal to 0. So therefore, your value of y is negative 3. So if your x is 4, your y is negative 3. So this is now our table of values with our x and our y. Step number 4, we are now ready to sketch our parabola. So from the table of values we solved, we are going to plot these points using this coordinate plane. So we have here, if your x is 0, your y is negative 3. So this is 0, negative 3. If your x is 1, your y is 0. So this is 1, 0. If your x is 2, your y is 1. This is 2, 1. And if your x is 3, your y is 0. If your x is 4, your y is negative 3. So after plotting the points, we will now make our parabola. So we will just simply connect all the points. So this would become, so this is now our parabola. So after sketching the parabola, we will still need to choose a test point either from points inside this parabola or from the points outside the parabola. So we commonly use the points 0, 0 as our test points. So let's solve the coordinates 0, 0 using our equation y is greater than negative x squared plus 4x minus 3. We will substitute the values of 0, 0 for us to determine if it will satisfy the condition. So if this is 0, that is negative 0 square plus 4 times 0 minus 3. So we simply substituted the value of our x and y 0, 0 to the given inequality. So 0 is greater than, this is 0 and 0, negative 3. Now as what you can see, the test point 0, 0 satisfies the given inequality because 0 is greater than negative 3. So in other words, since 0, 0 is found outside the parabola, then the solution set of the inequality is found outside the region. So this will be shaded. So the shaded part are what we call the solution set of the given inequality. So thank you very much, and please comment or send me a message for any question that needs to be clarified. Thank you and good day.